Today is the 24th of November 2021, and we have Paciuksenkaari, Paciuksenkaari, 6 staircase. This is the first staircase in this French building. We've just been to this Texas BNC. It's with the blue light, which should have been red.
Yeah.
This is upside down, as you can see. That's weird. Okay.
The basement is locked off.
Yeah, there is a basement floor which is locked off.
Yeah.
The best is 4 foot, so 325 grams with 5 floors here. In total, it was built in 1997, turning 25 years old in the next year, 2022. And in here, the door open and door close button's got the same kind of frame, the white one. In staircase B, I think the close button was a bit different. And the number is B1KE2127. It's going to be inspected in 2023. Sixes B and C are better because they have 6 floors.
Yeah.
Tässä on Pikku Huopalahti, niin huipuksi Helsinki, se on Finland. Full ride is not possible because the basement is locked up.
Inspekteert je wijs maintained by gewoon.
I like the interior here.
Same. That's